Today we are going to discuss about milling machine attachments. They are standard or special devices which are used for the purpose of enhancing the range, versatility, productivity and accuracy of a milling machine. Milling machine attachments are of two types. One is standard attachment and other is special attachments. Standard attachments are used for general type of operations in a milling machine. These standard attachments can be fitted on most of the milling machines and they have more versatility so that they can be used for a large variety of operations. These standard attachments are used for holding the milling cutters, holding the work pieces, or sometimes they are also used as auxiliary spindles. Next is special attachments. Special attachments are used for performing specific operations in a milling machine and they can be used for mass production of identical parts. As the name implies, special attachments are used for special milling operations. Special attachments are usually used on standard milling machines such as column and knee type milling machine. Some of the special attachments are vertical milling attachment, universal milling attachment, slotting attachment, rack milling attachment, universal spiral milling attachment, high speed attachment, rotary table, dividing head, universal indexing head, etc. We shall discuss each of them one by one. First one is vertical milling attachment. A vertical milling attachment is shown in the figure. Sometimes a horizontal milling machine is to be converted into a vertical milling machine for doing some special operations. In that case, a vertical milling attachment can be used for this conversion. Here the spindle axis of the horizontal milling machine is reoriented from its horizontal plane to a vertical plane. Vertical milling attachment is actually a right-angled gearbox which is attached to the nose of the horizontal milling machine. Next is universal milling attachment. They are similar to vertical milling attachment, but they have an extra provision for swiveling the spindle axis to any required angle. The spindle axis can be swiveled based on two mutually perpendicular axes. These universal milling attachments are supported by the overarm of the milling machine and higher speeds are possible with universal milling attachment. This shows a universal head milling attachment. Next is high speed milling attachment. They are used along with small milling cutters and they increase the speed of rotation of small milling cutters to 4 to 6 times higher. It consists of a gearbox which is enclosed in a casting and they are attached to the face of the column of the milling machine. As the name implies, high-speed milling attachments are used for obtaining higher speeds in a milling machine. This shows a high-speed milling attachment. Next is slotting machine attachment. They are used for converting the milling machine into a slotting machine with the help of a rotating crank. The rotary motion of the milling machine can be converted to the reciprocating motion of the ram. They are used for machining internal, external keyways, splines, similar to that of a slotting machine, and they are attached to the face of the column of the milling machine. For machining slots in angular surfaces, these attachments can be swiveled to any other angle. In these slotting machines, various stroke lengths can be obtained. A slotting machine attachment is shown in the third figure. This slotting attachment can be attached to the column of the milling machine so that the milling machine will be converted to a slotting machine. Here you can see a milling machine getting converted to a slotting machine with the help of a slotting attachment. The rotary motion of machine spindle is converted to the reciprocating motion of the ram. Next is a universal spiral milling attachment. These attachments are used in milling machine for cutting spiral grooves on a cylindrical workpiece. They are also attached to the face of the column of milling machine, and the spindle head of this attachment can be swiveled either in a horizontal plane and vertical plane. A universal spiral milling attachment is shown in this figure, the second row, first figure. Next is rack milling attachment. Rack milling attachment is used for cutting rack teeth on the job which is mounted on the table of milling machine. It is a gear train which is attached to the face of the column. For cutting successive rack teeth, an indexing mechanism is also available with rack milling attachment. An image of a rack milling attachment is shown here. Next is circular milling attachment or rotary table milling attachment. These are special work holding devices for providing rotary motion to the workpiece in a milling machine. They are used for generating complex profile on the workpiece surface. It consists of a circular table with T-slots and a graduated base for rotary motion. It is attached to the top of the milling machine table. They are either hand operated or power operated with a special drive mechanism attached. This shows a rotary table milling attachment. Next is a dividing head milling attachment. They are also special work holding devices for dividing the periphery of the workpiece into equal number of divisions. And they are used for machining slots, helical grooves on the periphery of a cylindrical workpiece at equal spacing. For holding the workpiece, a chuck is provided in the driving head, dividing head milling attachment. They are also attached to the machine table of a milling machine. It also consists of a drive mechanism which includes a worm and a worm gear. A dividing head milling attachment is shown in the second row, fourth figure. Thank you.